If you're like me, you have a small setup that you use at home or take on the go for mobile recording. And your interface might not have enough preamps or offer the quality you need for your high-end productions. That's where the Elysia Skulpter QUBE can come to the rescue. I'm Chad Lorridge, Product Manager at Music Max Distribution. And today we're going to take a look at interfacing two of Elysia's Skulpter preamps from the unique QUBE chassis to our desktop interface. Let's get started. The QUBE series from Elysia comes in a variety of configurations, from compressors to EQs to tone shaping and saturation. Today we have the Skulpter Squared QUBE that contains two of Elysia's Class A discrete preamps, which are just jam-packed with features. These preamps are the same as the standalone 500 series Skulpters, but are housed in this unique chassis that includes a dedicated power supply and flexible interfacing options on the back. I want to show you how we can quickly integrate the QUBE with our smaller audio interface, the Focusrite Scarlett 18i8. The 18i8 has 4 built-in preamps and 4 extra line inputs. The Skulpter QUBE is the perfect solution for this setup because we can easily use those extra line inputs to add a couple more high-quality preamps. Let's get it connected. Take a look at the back of the QUBE. We'll plug our microphones into inputs 1, 2, or both. Then we can use either the 1/4-inch balanced outputs or the XLR outputs to connect our interface, depending on the cabling you have around. I just happen to have a pair of female XLR to balanced 1/4-inch cables handy. So we'll connect the XLR QUBE outputs to the 1/4-inch inputs 5 and 6 on the 18i8. Let's jump into Pro Tools and test out the connections. I have a couple studio project condenser mics plugged into the two Skulpter preamps. These are headed into Pro Tools on inputs 5 and 6, which you can see here are assigned on this stereo track. We'll take a second to adjust the gain control on the preamps and then do a little recording. Wow, these preamps sound incredible. Let's take a look at what you can do with them. The gain control at the top lets you adjust the output of the preamp, and with a quick push of the dial, you can switch the meter to show the amount of gain the preamp is currently generating. This is perfect for this particular setup, where I'm looking to match the gain of both the microphones. Moving our way down the front panel, you'll see that the Skulpter is a complete channel strip in a really small form. It has dual sound shapers, where Shape 1 is designed for instruments and Shape 2 is designed for vocals. These sound shapers provide added harmonics and EQ curves for a variable control of the tone. Super cool. The Skulpter also provides a high-quality low-cut filter to help control the low end of the signal, and even an intelligent single-knob compressor. This compressor has a set 3:1 ratio with attack and release parameters that were selected to be useful on a wide variety of sources. How about we add some bass to the acoustic guitar using the high-impedance JFET DI on the front of the Skulpter. We'll dial in some of the tone shaping and compression controls for a really nice warm and round bass tone. Excellent, what a great preamp. And we haven't even scratched the surface on all the various instrument and vocal tones you can achieve. Add to that the small form factor desktop chassis you get with the QUBE series, and you have a really powerful combination to expand and upgrade your current system. If you have any questions about the Skulpter, the QUBE series, or any of the other great products by Elysia, be sure to get in touch with your Elysia dealer. As always, take care and thanks for watching.